In front of me is Motorola Razr 70 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings and tap on this section called Connected Devices. Then tap on Connection Preferences, Printing, Default print service or any other one you have and wanna use. Don't worry, they all turn on the same way. And finally, this switcher if it's not already on. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. If you still can't connect though, use those three dots at the top right corner. Hit Add Printer and pick one of those two options. First, you can tap on this switcher next to Wi-Fi Direct Printing to enable it. Hit Allow and choose Wi-Fi Direct Printers. Then wait for your device to search for yours and find it. If it still doesn't work, tap on Add Printer by IP address, import it here and select Add to connect manually. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!